With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. Create a simple network topology having two clients nodes on left side and two server nodes on the right side. Both lines are connected with another nodes N1, and similarly both server nodes are connected to node N2. Also connect nodes N1 and N2, thus forming a dumbbell shaped topology, and use point-to-point link only. You can use any network simulator. So if you need an answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number